we have got the new DENALI D7s. You've heard it here first. Hey, today is Wednesday the 12th of June 2019, and on the 1st of July we're going to have a very exciting product which we're going to be shipping out to some very lucky customers who are going to take the opportunity to buy now and take delivery in that first week of July. We have got the new DENALI D7s. You've heard it here first. You've heard it here first. I am so excited. I had a phone call yesterday from my distributor saying we've got loads of these new D7 lights coming in. The spec is outstanding. Now, before I start going into the spec, I want you to quickly look here on my website, and you can see it's already here, it's already available. So go to abikething.com, click on shop, scroll down to lights, and then when you're on lights, you can search, you can see the DENALI D4s, the DR1s, but now we've got the new D7s here. They are fantastic, they look amazing. I haven't seen one in the flesh yet. The single pods normally come out at $274.99. As you can see, I'm doing a discounted offer for you for this, for a pre-order sale at £249 each. And if you want to buy the kit, obviously if you want to buy two of them, it's £500. If you want to buy the kit because you haven't got a CAN-SMART installed, then it's £509, which would normally retail at £550. I'm probably going to get in a little bit of trouble here from DENALI because I don't want to see people selling things a bit cheaper. But if you want to jump on this deal now and go ahead and order yours right now, so you are one of the first in the country to take delivery in the first week of July. The great thing is, if you've already got a CAN-SMART or one of the bundles that you've already bought from me in the past, because I know I've got a lot of customers out there who have already bought lots of bundles, and you want to upgrade your D4s or your DR1s or your DMs or any part of your kit that you've currently got, if you want to do that, then all you need to do is just buy two of these pods, or maybe, or even one, if you want to have that asymmetrical look to your bike. They are expensive, I'll give you that. They are an expensive light. However, I've been looking online and been doing a bit of a comparison. So if you haven't heard of them, I don't mind mentioning it, the competition. There's a company called Clearwater who do phenomenal lights, and a lot of people say they are a lot more powerful. This light, I haven't seen it in the flesh working yet, but the stats on it come back as a lot more powerful than the Savinas by Clearwater. They completely blow Carla out of the water. So that's the 7 LED spotlight that Clearwater offer. So if I just, I'm literally going on my phone right now, and let's have a look at what we're talking here. So right, so with the current DENALI setup, you get, so let's take the DMs for instance. That's a very small light, okay? So with the DMs, they draw 1.6 amps. You get a beam distance of 395 feet with a beam width of 55 feet. That's if you're using the spot lens, okay? The raw lumens is 2,190. Then we go on to the D4s, which a lot of people have currently got on their bikes. The D4s will draw 6.6 amps. You get a maximum distance with both spots on. You get a maximum distance of 800 feet in spotlight form with a beam width of 110 feet. Raw lumens, 8,760. So that is powerful. Now, then you look at the DR1s, which only have a power draw of 1.6 amps. In comparison with the D4s at 6.6 amps, it's not a lot more. However, because it's a very, very fine spotlight which goes long distance, you get 1,000 feet out of the DR1s, but with a beam width of only 75 feet. Raw lumens from the DR1 is 2,190. So compare that with the D4, raw lumens 8,760. So let's talk about the D7. I can't wait to fit this to my bike. So the power draw is 10 amps, still absolutely fine on the first circuit if you've got the CAN-SMART installed on your bike. Beam distance, get ready for it, 1,505 feet. Now, if you look at the Clearwater website, the Clearwaters are great, I'm not taking anything away from them, I really am not, but if you look at their most powerful light, which for a pair you're looking over $1,000, but the beam width is very narrow on the Savinas, whereas the beam width on these D7s is 200 feet. 200 feet. So the D4 has a beam width, and if you've got D4s on your bike, you know it goes wide anyway. You get 110 feet. So we're talking 200 feet beam width going a distance of over 1,500 feet. This is incredible. It's like almost twice as powerful as the D4s. Raw lumens, here we go. 15,330 if you have a pair of D7s. Raw lumens, 15,330. This is not just a little upgrade, this is massive. So yeah, they're expensive. We're talking for a pair, well, if you jump in now, I can get a pair out to you for £500, free delivery, if you're within the UK. If you wait until after the 1st of July, that price is going to go straight up in line with all the other people who are selling them for about 550. I think it's 550. I think so. It's 275. But yeah, so that's £550 for a pair. So you saw it here first. If you want to get a pair of these for your current setup, then please click on the link down below in the description if you're watching this on YouTube. If you're watching this on Instagram or Facebook, then click on the link to my YouTube channel or go straight through to the website and hunt these D7s down. I've got them on there now for pre-orders for first deliveries to be taken in the first week of July. Now, I'll also be putting, I haven't got it on there right now as of today's date, but within the next 24-48 hours, I'm going to put some bundles together, just like I have done previously for the DR1s and the D4s, all that sort of thing. So there'll be some options on there if you want to buy a complete bundle. So you get the CAN-SMART, you get the D7s, you get a DENALI B6 rear light, yeah, that kind of thing. So you can make a bit of a saving by buying a bundle from me. So yeah, if you want to be one of the first, I keep saying it, but I've got loads of these coming to me. They called me yesterday and I literally just took a load off them. So I've pre-ordered them. So if no one buys them, I'm going to be stuck with these. But something tells me I'm not going to be stuck with them, because I know I've met so many customers already who just want to be the first and want to have the very best. I'm going to have them on my bike. I'm even considering sticking it on my car. I've just bought a new 4x4 BMW. I'm considering sticking them on there. Just once I've seen how powerful it is, I might put one or two on the Beamer, on the car. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Made this very, very quickly because I wanted to be the first in there in the UK talking about this very exciting new product. Yeah, look forward to seeing some GSs and some KTMs, whatever bike you've got out there on the road with the D7s on there, literally blasting the competition away.